Hi everyone, in this video I'll continue the previous project and create the latest courses section with cards using HTML CSS. Let's create a section and inside I'm adding a container with a heading using h2 tag. Next, adding a div as flex row. It will contain all the cards. Then adding an aside for course tab, which will contain an image and a heading. Adding a div as info, which will contain text and a anchor button. Copy the whole thing 4 times and change the image and text. Now come to the CSS part. Set padding on the section. Then decorate the H2 and span inside the H2. Set display flex with gap on the flex row. Next, decorate the aside. Here I need to decrease the graph from the 100% and then divide it by 4 for equal width of all aside. Also adding height. Next, also set the width of the image. Then set aside background color, display flex, border radius, transition and perspective. Next, decorating the heading. Now come to the info section. It should be position absolute and cover the whole area with padding. It will be display flex to position everything in the middle. Initially it will be hidden and on hover it will be visible. Then decorate the text and button. For flipping effect, I need to use the transform rotate. Let's set transform origin left and center and transform rotate minus 90 degree. On hover, it will be 0 degree. For responsiveness, let's add media query path. To show effect on small screen, add max width 996 px. Then add flex flow wrap and gap 20 px. For the mobile screen, let's add max width 768 px and change the flex flow to column. Similar ways, change the aside width for both screens. One more thing, let's add shadow on the side. Here we go. If you find this helpful, please like and comment. You can find the previous part on the I button. For more videos on web design and development, please subscribe to the channel.